How to make Instagram story a photo with music. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to make the Instagram story a photo with music, first of all launch the Instagram application on your device. As you launch the Instagram application on your device, make sure you're logged into your account. Then tap on this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. As you tap on the bottom of the screen, tap on story and select a picture over here. You can also click a picture. I'm going to select one of the pictures over here, and simply what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to just select a picture and then tap on this music icon at the top of the screen. So tap on it, and as you tap on it, simply you can select any of the songs. I'm going to select on this one over here. You can trim it according to your wish and then tap on done and then post it on your stories, and that's how you can make Instagram story a photo with music. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.